Hello guys, this is Dean. Welcome back to the channel. This is in Maldavo del Norte, June 7th to 2024. This is the boy, Jobert. Remember this, guys? There's a boy here that we need to hang because he's not doing well. He really is a naughty boy. Anyhow, the boy just got finished with the painting, and here comes Rowell. We're gonna see what we can do, but it took about 3 people just to carry that boy. Normally, if it's a human being, it would not take but 1 person to do it, but this time I do not know, but this boy is so heavy, so we will see how they're going to do it. Now we're gonna hang that. We'll see what's the best. Oh man. Oh yeah. Ikuan ba lang ang kuan? Asa man tong wing? Asa ang inyong nail o ang inyong
Diri sulod. Yo. Diri gani diri. Kaya gibana.
wing? Ang inyong nail.
Ano dis pa ma'am?
Okay.
Ito na hiktan diri. Yan na naman na. Ano boy, diyo lang sa boy. Ano manig ilog mo ni? Si ani.
Wala na ako nakuha tong pag-carry ninyo. Buang no. Iyan daw. Guys, we still have to redo the painting on this, guys. I know that you will see a lot of imperfections there, but the best way is probably to cover that area. And Mr. DeBoy has to redo the painting to make it perfect, because I've seen a lot of primers still coming out. So, ang pinaka-best siguro, wing.
Pugi na sa. I-down sa. Balik ko na to. Ay na. Direktor to glambod ba ya? Sige. Uno.
Gusto niyo si put-put dire?
Kaya kung makapatong na yung tili, kanay patong ko suga. Oh, sige. Sige. Ay, di na.
Dali lang. Unsa kaya ibutang nato ning dire.
Dali ako itong tuig yung tili. Sabaya. Sige. Oh. Gida boy. I-plaster boy. Ibuksan dito rin boy. Siyo ka. Ipa-stretch siya. Itulak ang kuwan. Itulak kay. Bila ihigda sa ihigda. Sige. Straight berabay. Asa. Pilit bugay siya. Diri o. Baba sa boy. Ela sa baka kaya hinayan lang ko area. Ito nung lang yan tiil. Ito nung dito sa kuwan ng tiil. Sige. Pungi ya.
May buhatan na diya sa gawas ug ano.
Sige.
Nang murag nagduyan-duyan.
Sige. Isa. Sige.
Adto ka dito, Bert. Hawiran yun na dapat diya. Anak na lang.
Ha, dapit na. Kana sakto na ni siya ang pagkabitaya.
Ana ra gyud.
Ano is? Wala.
Oh.
Gigit lagi ka kaya. Hindi ano din.
Something happened.
Nalangkat pam, di siya kakaya.
Ang tiil.
Kamot.
O, sige lang.
Kalo lugos tayo wire pare.
Anak raw.
Ato lang ng tap-tapan.
Pwede ni tatapan diri kay gapon hinto. Kani boy. Uy.
Ang wire, asa matong black nga wire? Kaning black ang wire nga.
Kanay mo itali pare.
Yeah.
Una sa kanang ilambre sa una.
Lambre sa damang. Lambre sa ay para. Paugot.
Pugi ako itali boy.
Mura din na siya nagkat-kat.
Siguro ang pinaka best way pud wing butangan na siya og kuan rope pud sa iyang waistline. So iyang kilikil iyang ulo ba? No.
Pwede. Ikot na dagit yung kamot. Kuha kayo. No, tarin pa itong sa isang tao. No? Anak lagi ba? Sabi anak kayo. Itong pumirot.
Atan.
Bugat kayo no.
Kaya mo mga 10 kilos no.
Ay, anak yun.
Manong man nga ang babae ug ang lalaki kayahon mag wedding sila dalo na babae mga 120 150 pounds.
25 kilos na ma'am. Kaya na kay tao man mo. Ginhawa man.
Yan ang bunit po.
Ingat. Kay kumuda ko ng sanga ana wing mabugto gina. No.
Adi na ma'am, lubong ra na ma'am. Kana ang kuan nga, kay wire.
Yeah.
Kaunon ra na siya.
Di, meron lang itong pare.
Manubaro ng PC anak pre. Matay.
Kaduha no? Hindi na kumawagi diri gani. Lagi. Ang bungan tadi ah. At anak.
Lambod na dan dili. Paminaw na ko murag. Pag di na mo bigay na ang iyang kuan sinin.
Thank you. Well, they are part of my life now. 3 dogs. Adopted dogs. Not by choice, but because I love them. All right. All of that, by the way, is for free. So, I'm going to show you the finished product of the boy hanging on the tree. This is actually a statue, guys. Okay, we're not actually hanging a boy. Now, there are a lot of imperfection on that scene right there because we have to hang the boy or the statue using cable. Almost like we have to actually use his neck and his shoulder so that it would not fall down. It is a very heavy boy. It took about 3 people to just carry that. So to hide those cables, electrical cables we have, we put paint. Okay, we use brown to camouflage the area. So it's looking better, and I use bromeliads on the very top. Eventually those bromeliads will grow there because those are air plants. Most of them, I got them from one of my gardens. So I have enough to cover that area. So we'll check out the back. I really hope, guys, that that's going to hold up for a long time. But I would be surprised if it's gonna stay. a long time, honestly. That boy has a lot of imperfection. It Well, the back part I cannot really show you because it's against the light. But so far, it looks like real from this end. The problem with that statue, it's not a perfect statue. He was on a prone position when we started. No, actually, he was on his back. No, correction. He was on his tummy when we started putting the cement. Therefore, some areas are flat because the cement would settle down, and then we turn him over and finish the front later on, which is really a bad method. I should have started that standing up, not lying down in any kind of position. Lying down is not a good thing because the cement's weight will settle down. So when you flip them over, there's gonna be a lot of imperfection. And anyhow, that's how I will explain to you, because that statue is not really the way I want it. So, but it looks okay. That's funny. You cannot even see the head because it's tilted up there. So it has a head, but it is kind of looking up. So that's how it looks, guys. And I hope that you're gonna be happy looking at it. And I hope it's not offensive to you. But that boy is really trying to climb. So he's hanging there. And I'm gonna fill that in with more orchids on that side. So I'll fill in maybe that area and that area right there with some orchids. I have a bunch of them on the other side of the property, so I'm gonna have to transfer them there, and it would look like a garden. And maybe I'll put another boy, who knows. It all depends, guys. It would be probably a funny scene if I would be able to get another boy or girl on the top here climbing. So it would really